we go. Today's install is going to be nothing more than installing curtains above the top thing. So the first thing you want to make sure you have is make sure you bring isopropyl alcohol. Make sure you bring that. This one leaks, you got to be careful. Alright, so we're going to put up the curtain rods. We're going to put up the 3M or command hooks is what we're using. So be right back. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you measured the width of your window. So what I did is I bought some material and we measured, and it covers these windows, as you can see, perfectly. Now, it may seem like it's not blocking the light, but trust me, it will block this out very well. Okay, so the next step we're going to do is get the command hooks, which I just had somewhere. What am I doing? Oh, right in front of me. So command hooks, 3M command hooks is what we're using. So you want to make sure that you figure out by putting on your curtain rod the distance that we need to cover, and then we're going to run put the curtain through the rod. Make sure it's on here nice and perfect. So what I did with this material is I had a friend so I bought 2 of them so that it looks the same on either side. Okay. So I'm just going to put this in. Just feed it through like any other curtain. Then we just need to figure out where the curtain rod is going to go. So as you can see, it sits perfectly, just like there. So we just need to figure out where I'm going to put the command rods, or command strips. So the first one looks like it's going to go right there. So open this up. Get the command strips out. Get their hooks up. Want to make sure that these are going to actually work. And I may have to actually get the bigger ones. But I think for now, because remember, they're just going to basically hold it up. That's all we're doing. I might have to get the larger ones. I think these might have been too small, but that's okay for today's purposes. So you always want to make sure that you measure this. Is going to go perfectly over or hold up your curtain rod. So tear these apart, and wall and commands. So we put this side on here first. Okay, so got that mounted, so now we just need to take our alcohol, grab, in this case, paper towel, and we're just going to wipe down right there. And then we're going to peel this off. Okay. We'll measure it one more time before we stick it on there. Make sure I got it right where I want it to be. Perfect. I can actually come down a little bit and go right there. Okay. That's going to be right about where it's going to go. Good thing with the command strips is, as you can see, it can come off. So now we just need to put the other one on. We'll measure it again. You want to make sure you get this in the right spot before you mount it to the wall. Okay, so got that hooked up. Now we just need to measure it one more time. And this is adjustable. And we want to make sure that it's nice and straight. And that's actually right about there. Okay, now we just gotta peel the sticky off. Okay, measure it one more time. And then, oh, I forgot to take the alcohol to it. It'll be right in that area, so we got it pretty good. So I just clean the whole area and it'll stick just fine. So now what I can do is make sure this is nice and level. Okay, now we can and we can go right in there and actually make sure it's nice and level and mount it. Yeah, there we go. And now we have curtains. So what we're going to do is we'll go on the outside and we'll take a look and see how it looks from the outside. Alright, this is what it looks like from the outside. I know it's hard to see, but as you can see by looking in, you can't see a thing. And that's the whole point. We're trying to just get a nice little privacy. Let's see if I can get a different angle, but as you can see, it's a nice cool pattern, a nice wine bottle pattern that I saw and I liked. And that's what the curtains look like. So compared to the other side, and then you come in on this side, and voila, perfect. Okay, just to give you a quick idea of how bright or how dark the curtains are going to make this, there's the AC unit. This is one window without curtains and one window with curtains. Now, just watch the brightness of that. I have no flash on, no nothing, but this is just blocking the window with the curtains. And what a difference that makes, as you can see. That's just with curtains. So without curtains, and that's just one window, and then this is with curtains. Okay, so I had to turn the light on because it was too dark to see what I was doing. So, I'm just mounting up this thing. Putting on the second curtain. Just three. I'm just gonna reclean the area. I know it's going to be ready in that area anyway, so that's what we'll do. Take the sticky off. Hope you can see this okay. Curtain rod. Make sure it's nice and straight. That's about right there. About right there. Voila. And that is curtains are up. Now we got curtains on that side and curtains on that side. And the beauty of this rod is adjustable, so I can shorten it if I needed to. Let me just go back a little bit. And I just realized it's not straight on that one. But that's okay. No one's gonna see it but me anyway. This one I got pretty close. Close enough. And then here's the cool thing. Let's do this. Okay. And that's, as you can see, the difference is that with one window open, and that's what the curtain looks like.